Hello, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to go over on how we can install a WinCollect agent on a Windows server or Windows endpoint, and how we can get the logs from that Windows server endpoint into our QRadar. So the first thing we'd like to do is to go to the IBM WinCollect download page. We can just type WinCollect download. We'll go to the WinCollect 10 page, and then we'll click on download WinCollect 10. What WinCollect is an agent that sits on your Windows server host and reads the Microsoft security event log files and sends them into QRadar. It's also possible to send other log files, but we'll cover that in a different video. So here we'll choose the installation that fits our host, either the 64-bit or the 32-bit installation. Then we'll just click the top link to download our MSI file. After the file has been downloaded, we'll open the CMD with administrative privileges. And after we've opened the CMD, we'll go to our download directory and we'll type msi exec.exe. I'm going to do /i and then the installation file and hit enter. Now an installation wizard should appear. We'll click next. We'll use the default account for the user account that the WinCollect service will run as. Now, in case you are installing WinCollect on a domain controller, it is recommended that you will create a separate account for that. You would need to give it a permission to log on as a service, and it must not require a password. Next, we'll add the WinCollect virtual account to the administrators group. Click on the quick installation and enter the IP of our event collector or console or event processor, whatever you have. We'll click on install and wait until the wizard finishes installing our agent. We'll click on finish, and then we'll go to our QRadar admin console. From the console, we'll go to our log sources tab, or from the admin to log source management. Now, in case QRadar did not automatically detect and create our new Windows server or host yet, we can go to the SIEM generic log DSM to view events that are entering into QRadar but did not get a log source yet. Now we can see we already have an unknown log event. Let's click on raw events to see what that event is. And we can see that that event is from our agent. As you can see, we can see the our host name and the WinCollect properties. We'll click on real time to see if events are flowing in. Now, after installation, agents may take some time to start sending events from the security event log of the host in real time to QRadar. So that might take some time, sometimes even a few minutes. As you can see, we came back to our real-time view of events, and we can see events flowing and streaming in real time to our QRadar. Now, if we go back to log source management and refresh the page, we should see our new log source for our Windows host. We can see that it's called Windows auth server at the host name of my endpoint. We can see the identifier, which is the host name. We can see that is sending logs via syslog. We can see that is sending events to our target event collector, which is the console. And I will turn the coalescing events off. I will explain about coalescing events in a further video. Now for now, I will save and go to the events to see the log activity of this log source. It may take some time to display events in the log source, so I'll wait a few minutes and then click on last 5 minutes and refresh. and I will start seeing the events from our new Windows host. As you can see, the events are parsed and mapped. We can see the full payload of our security event log events, and we have successfully connected our Windows source to QRadar. I hope this video was clear. Thank you, and see you in the next video.